Australian cherries are a highly valued fresh horticulture export. The Australian cherry industry has a total value of $190 million and exports worth $80 million. In previous seasons, Victorian cherry growers have been able to export to over 30 countries annually. Traceability enables cherries to be tracked from the tree to the table. It's vital that the cherry industry develops automated on-farm traceability to support increased production in the future. It can also pinpoint issues such as quality, food safety, or biosecurity incidents back to the packing shed or a specific orchard block. International governments and food retailers are increasingly demanding enhanced traceability through regulation and customer requirements. Cherry Growers Australia has partnered with Agriculture Victoria to run a traceability project for the cherry supply chain on behalf of our industry.
We search the world for the best cherry varieties that deliver on quality, firmness and flavour. We hold a range of events at Cherry Hill. We have the annual Blossom Festival, and at Cherry Picking Festival, we sell our cherries domestically through supermarkets, independent grocers and via online and farmgate stores. Cherry Hill grows, packs and markets cherries for export. Key markets include Hong Kong, Singapore, China, Vietnam, Malaysia and India. In a typical season, we export over 100,000 boxes of cherries. In this pilot, we've implemented several new traceability measures. RFID technology is quite exciting and it lets us automate the tracking of our fruit from harvest, packing and dispatch processes. Automation helps us with the increased volume year on year that we're producing.
RFID stands for radio frequency identification. At its simple level, it is made up of RFID labels, RFID hardware or readers, and also RFID software. RFID traceability on the farm enables automated capture of harvest fruit data, together with its picking location and variety. RFID labels are applied to each bin. RFID labels on the bins are read by RFID readers, which are mounted at various locations. When the harvested fruit bins arrive at the packhouse receival shed, their RFID labels are read by RFID readers, which are mounted on portals at the receiving dock. RFID traceability on arrival at the packhouse receival shed enables cross-checking of the previous farm data. RFID labels on the bins are read by RFID readers at the robot loading docks. This checks that the bins are associated with the current batch that's being processed. Firstly, this tracks the pallets according to the batch and the sales orders. Secondly, when the pallet leaves the packhouse, the RFID system confirms that the pallets have left the facility.
Traceability helps consumers feel confident they are buying authentic Cherry Hill product with the flavour and quality that they enjoy. Unique QR code labelling on our products gives us traceability for engaging with supply chain partners and our consumers. Scanning the unique QR codes enables a two-way flow of information. We can tell the story of our products and our consumers can tell us about their experience of our fruit.
It's really easy for consumers with their smartphone to read a QR code. It puts the power of validation in the consumer's hands. Food fraud is more common than people realise, and consumers are becoming more alive to the risks of food fraud. The GS1 digital link in the QR code allows for the collection of data across the supply chain. The Trust Codes dashboard allows our customers to see all of their data in one place. Brand owners also use the dashboard to receive alerts of unusual patterns of behaviour.
To enhance export traceability, we have partnered with Cherry Hill, Trust Codes and Ramp RFID to integrate the Enterprise Resource Planning ERP system. The ERP platform that we have used provides a single source of truth data to the business. Now we can access traceability data in real time. GS1 Digital Link provides the missing link, connecting a wealth of product information from multiple locations, from the supply chain and from consumers, all from a single scan. It not only provides authentication around basic product traceability, but provides the mechanism for additional information. Information such as batch numbers, serial numbers, returns and refunds, expiry dates, discount pricing, location ID codes, asset codes, SSCC labels, plus promotions, instructions, reviews, certificates, etc.
This project will enhance our exports by developing full supply chain traceability with the flexibility to be used with different varieties in multiple pack types and many different markets. Through the scanning experience, we are also able to deliver marketing promotions including prizes and giveaways to our customers.
Teresa là thương hiệu về trái cây nhập khẩu có hơn 30 năm kinh nghiệm trong ngành xuất nhập khẩu, phân phối trái cây tươi tại Việt Nam. Chúng tôi nhập khẩu sản lượng lớn cherry từ các nhà vườn trên thế giới. Tiêu chí hàng đầu của chúng tôi là sản phẩm phải được đảm bảo chất lượng nguồn gốc xuất xứ. Tại Việt Nam, vấn đề nguồn gốc xuất xứ luôn được quan tâm hàng đầu bởi người tiêu dùng. Thế nên việc ứng dụng công nghệ truy xuất nguồn gốc xuất xứ là giải pháp giúp cho khách hàng có thể chủ động tìm hiểu và kiểm tra nguồn gốc về sản phẩm mà họ đang sử dụng. Chúng tôi sẽ hướng dẫn khách hàng quét mã, tham gia trò chơi trên điện thoại và khuyến khích khách hàng bằng những giải thưởng rất đặc biệt và vô cùng hấp dẫn. Thông qua hệ thống này, khách hàng của chúng tôi sẽ biết được cherry mà họ mua về được thu hoạch từ ai, từ nhà vườn nào và được vận chuyển bằng cách thức nào.
Traceability has become a really important factor in the supply chain, more so now than we've ever seen before. And the reason is that governments, consumers, retailers, manufacturers themselves need to have the data that allows them to have complete visibility within their supply chain. And GS1 standards are the foundational piece that allows all that to happen. In this pilot, the key GS1 standards being used are the Global Location Number, the GLN, for identification of physical locations, the Global Trade Item Number, known as a GTIN, for product identification, and the Serial Shipping Container Code, known as the SSCC, for identifying logistical units. From the farm to the end product, there's a very, very long supply chain. So what is the product? Where has it been? What's happened to it? Where's it going? GS1 standards enable businesses to capture and share traceability data.
Producers want to supply premium products at maximum value, and consumers want to feel confident that they are buying genuine products. International governments and food retailers want to be able to trace food quickly in the event of food safety outbreaks and to prevent exotic pests and diseases from entering their countries. So it's important that Cherry Growers Australia empowers the industry with world-class traceability as we compete against other suppliers in international markets.